Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to go over my weekly stock picks for the week of July 11th to the 15th. Before we do, just to reiterate, not a financial advisor. Make sure that you do your own research. Also, if you find value in the video, smash the thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel. If you enjoy our content, and hit the notification bell, that way YouTube can let you know every time we release new content. Other than that, guys, let's dive right on into it. All right, guys, before getting into my picks for this week, we're going to talk about my plans for last week. I didn't have any picks, actually. I didn't even do a stock pick video because it was pretty basic. Basically, some stocks and cryptocurrencies that I already had. I just looked to add to my position. So on Friday, I bought more ZNOG. I did take profits off of AMC, which I've been doing. It's the fourth swing I've had on AMC in my new swing trading account. Bought more IQST and also bought more Shiba Inu. I don't have this down. I forgot to jot down on the PowerPoint here, but I did buy more Amazon as well. So let's go and take a look at the picks for this week, and these are swing trades: AMC, Tesla, ZNOG. Now, when I'm saying AMC, I'm kind of keeping an eye on both, really, Tesla and AMC. AMC, it's just like right now, it's pretty close to overbought on the 180-day 4-hour. So is Tesla. So I'm going to wait on some type of little dip to pull back, and we're going to look actually at the S&P 500 and some patterns and some charts on what I'm watching for this week, just to make sure we're not getting a head fake and we're not falling back down further. Okay, so I want to wait probably maybe Tuesday, Wednesday to see what these stocks are going to do before I get my entry. I don't want to go in heavy on Monday and then all of a sudden it falls by Wednesday and then I'm left holding it, just waiting for it to recover. I want to catch it whenever it falls down, if it's going to fall down. Okay, and I'll show you what I'm talking about on the charts a little bit later. Okay, but AMC, taking a look at that one there for another potential swing. Tesla, as you know, Elon Musk has requested to terminate the deal from Twitter. And you know that the stock jumped up on Friday from that news. However, Twitter responded saying that they're going to file a lawsuit against him to force him to do it. So I'm not sure how the market's going to react to that, okay? If they react negative to that, then obviously it's going to pull back down. They may not even care about it. It may continue to go back up. And then ZNOG, guys, I think news is coming fairly soon over the next couple of weeks. And, we're at the midway point of July. Okay, coming at the end of this week. So even if it's just to accumulate something now, and by Friday, if there's no news, I'll be buying more. Okay, because Monday and Thursdays are the days they typically release information, and if I don't get anything by Thursday afternoon, Thursday evening, then I know that Friday will probably have a little dip, and I'll look to get in. And then probably that following week, I would think that they would probably release something about their new extension on their license and everything. So, all right, guys, that's what my picks for the week. Let's take a look at the charts and let's see what they're telling us. All right, guys, so we're going to take a look here at the S&P 500 before we look at anything else. Okay, so we're going to take a look at a chart pattern and see kind of what we've been doing in this bear market and what we're possibly setting up for again. Not 100% sure. I'm hoping not. But as you see here, we hit the bottom once, hit the bottom twice, and then we rose up, and then we pulled back down pretty aggressive, right? So then we hit bottom once, hit bottom twice, came up, pulled down pretty aggressive, all the way down here. Hit bottom, pulled up, and then all the way down here. Bottom, up, and now bottom. We're coming up. So how high do we go now? Okay, I'm kind of curious to see, by Wednesday, if this is maybe a little false breakout and we come back lower, or do we start kind of getting a little bit more bullish, and have we found a bottom? Okay, so that's something to kind of keep an eye on. All right, so let's take a look first, guys, at AMC, and we're going to take a look at their charts here. So we currently are trading at about 14.79. I took profits somewhere around here. I had bought somewhere around here and then took profits here. So I'm waiting on a pullback, which we're going to get. Although I don't know if we're going to pull back into the 12s now. Maybe 13 is going to be our floor. Maybe we can bounce off maybe like this 1350 level and then continue to rise from there. So I'm kind of waiting it out, and I'm looking midweek to see what can happen and when I can have a good entry. And your first level of resistance is 1779. And on a swing here, if I get in at about 1350-ish and it gets close to $18, I'll be taking profits, because it hasn't shown me yet that it can maintain over that that price target, right? Because we got all the way to $34, fell all the way down here. We've just been kind of trading in this channel for quite some time, so I'll have to kind of wait it out and see from there. Next up is Tesla, ticker symbol TSLA, and we finally broke above that 752 mark, got all the way to about 780. All right, and now that 752 is going to act as support. Your first level of resistance is 859, then 933, then 1008, 1100, and 1250. Currently, it is currently overbought right now in the 180-day 4-hour, just like a lot of these stocks are. So I do expect some type of pullback on Tesla. Just it doesn't necessarily mean it's going to be an aggressive one. I think it falls down to 700 if we do get one. And if it bounces off there, that's going to be a great sign moving forward. And then, of course, guys, ZNOG, ZNOG gas, current support of 22 cents. Resistance is about 26 currently right now. Red SMA line is right at about 20 cents. So even if it falls below 22, it bounces off at 20, that would be a good sign for us, as long as we can poke our head back up above 22 cents. So it finished at 24. I bought more at 22 on Friday. And like I said, I'm going to be waiting on Friday. And if it happens to drop again for some reason and it goes below this number here, I'll be looking to buy some there again. So, all right, guys, that's all I got for you in this video. Let me know your comments below. Other than that, we'll catch you in the next one.